Hey there, budget enthusiasts. If you're tired of living paycheck to paycheck and want to take control of your finances, the YNAB app, short for You Need a Budget, is your new best friend. In this video, I'll guide you through the basics of using YNAB so you can start budgeting like a pro. First things first, why YNAB? It's all about giving every dollar a job, which means no more surprise overspending. Let's dive in. To get started, download the YNAB app from your app store or head to their website and sign up for an account. It's quick and easy, you'll just need an email and a password. Once you're logged in, you'll see the dashboard. This is your command center, where you can view your budget at a glance. Next, set up your budget categories. Think of these as the envelopes in your wallet. YNAB prompts you to create categories for essentials like rent, groceries, and utilities, as well as fun stuff like dining out or travel. Be honest with yourself here. List out your real expenses. Now, the core of YNAB, assigning money to categories. After linking your bank accounts or manually entering your transactions, you'll allocate your available funds. For example, if you have $2,000 in your checking account, decide exactly where each dollar goes. This step is crucial because it forces you to prioritize. As you go about your week, track your spending. YNAB automatically categorizes transactions, but you can adjust them if needed. If you overspend in one area, like eating out, you'll see it immediately and can make adjustments, like cutting back elsewhere. Don't forget to review your progress regularly. YNAB has awesome reports and graphs that show where your money is going, helping you make smarter decisions over time. And remember, YNAB's philosophy is all about adapting. Life happens, so roll with the punches and update your budget as needed. There you have it. Using YNAB might feel overwhelming at first, but stick with it, and you'll wonder how you ever managed without it. If you found this helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more finance tips. Now, go forth and budget like a boss.